If you're currently pregnant or planning for postpartum recovery, this is something I really wish I had with my first baby. The Sitz Bath was gifted to me by the brand, but it's not a paid for review. These are my own thoughts. I'm currently pregnant with my second, so I haven't used it yet, but I wanted this for postpartum recovery after dealing with the recovery last time. I immediately understood why people recommended these. I honestly didn't even know something like this existed the first time. What I really like is how sturdy it feels. The wider seat design makes it feel a lot more supportive and comfortable, especially compared to some other smaller options I've seen. It also holds over 300 pounds, so it doesn't feel flimsy at all. The setup is super simple too. The instructions are really clear. It unfolds in seconds, and I love that it collapses flat for storage when you're done using it. It also has this cleaning hose feature, which seems really convenient for postpartum care at home. The deeper bowl design lets you soak longer without constantly refilling it. One thing I think that's genuinely smart about how easy it is how to drain it afterward. The holes are in the back, and that makes dumping water really simple, which it honestly matters when you're recovering, that you don't want extra hassle. This feels like one of those postpartum products you don't realize you need until after birth, and I'm definitely planning on using it once baby gets here. If you're building your postpartum recovery setup now, this is probably something worth adding before you actually need it.